Good afternoon, Namaskaram. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇന്നത്തെ മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് Thursday ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇന്ന് നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം ഡോക്ടർ കുമാറാണ്. He is a PhD. He is Vastu and Feng Shui consultant, astronumerologist, lifestyle and wellness expert as well. He's traveled all over the world and today he is here to assist you. He's been consulted by film stars and celebrities. നിങ്ങളുടെ ജ്യോതിഷപരമായിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ എല്ലാം വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു നല്ലൊരു അവസരമാണ്. 2 to 3 ഡോക്ടർ നമ്മളോടൊപ്പം സ്റ്റുഡിയോയിൽ ഉണ്ടാവുന്നതാണ്. വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ is 052961133. അതുപോലെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ SMS നമ്പർ is 3537. SMS അയക്കുമ്പോൾ NTV എന്ന് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസും വെച്ച് SMS അയക്കാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. സോ എല്ലാവരെയും ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഞാൻ ഇന്നത്തെ മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യാണ്. ഡോക്ടർ നമസ്കാരം, മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
നമസ്കാരം. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.
Yes, doctor, how are you doing today?
Fine, good, excellent.
All right.
After
so,
a
break
of fortnight.
Yes.
14 days break.
Yes. Okay. So, welcome back, doctor.
Yeah, sure.
So, let's start with the nakshatram for today.
Okay. So, today's nakshatram is Choti.
Okay.
Okay. The general characteristics are they are sweet, soft spoken, quite mild, quiet nature, control passions, desired, skill in trade, merciful, charitable, simple, and quite intuitive, and they feel cold very fast. They cannot bear cold. Okay, the favorable things for the same, that is Choti Nakshatra, is they are quite tender, moral, quite able businessman, clever in trade and commerce, truth seeking, meek, truthful. They care about others, thinks before acting, accurate, and they are very using simplest components, quite uncorrupted, friendly, active, and likes to go around lot of, you can say, mixing up with the people. They are interested in scientific also, energies levels, quite traveler, and very self independent. Now the unfavorable are they do not let the limitations resulting in a loss of money, especially status and respect. Sometimes they create debt due to high expenses, discontented due to lofty goals, quite critical, fault finding, not concerned with family, and self isolating, secretive, hides their passions, gives too much in a way, and sometimes hot tempered. The career interest for Choti Nakshatra is business skills, sales, yoga teacher, legal professions, judge, transportations, travel industry, stock markets, traders in quite merchants, independent businessmen, and sometimes they are engaged in devotional places also. So this was the character interest of Choti Nakshatra.
Choti Nakshatram. Okay, doctor. We have a caller with us. Hello, good afternoon. മിഴിയോരത്തിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം.
Good afternoon.
Yes, പേര് പറയൂ.
My name is Pooja.
പൂജ. ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ പൂജ?
എൻ്റെ ഹസ്ബൻഡിനെ പറ്റിട്ടാ.
Okay, ഹസ്ബൻഡ് ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത്?
Date of birth 23rd October
Okay.
1977.
Time?
11:15 AM.
എവിടെയാ ജനിച്ചത്?
Assam.
ആസാം.
Assam.
Yeah.
യെസ്. ഓക്കെ. എന്താണ് അറിയണ്ടേ പൂജ?
Job change-നെ പറ്റിട്ട്.
Okay. Okay, 23rd October 1977.
Sunday is born.
Okay, time is 11:15 AM.
11:50 or 15?
15 ആണോ 50 ആണോ?
15.
ആസാം അല്ലേ?
11:50
അതെ.
AM, Assam.
Okay. She wants to know about
About
his
the job
change.
change.
Yes.
Okay, he is Tula Rashi
Yes.
and Purathadi Nakshatra.
Yeah.
Okay, see, on Tula Rashi, I will tell you, Shani is going on,
Okay.
and one minute, Tula Rashi, yes. Okay, Tula Rashi, the Shani is just finished in 2012. You have Kantaka Shani in 2020.
Okay.
Okay, and he got Chava Dosham also at the same time.
All right.
His birth number is 5 and life path number is 3.
All right.
And the dasha which is going on is Budham Dasha. Budham Dasha is very good now. I think in the mid of this 2015 he can go for the job change. It is very
Okay.
favorable. Yeah, he's very favorable period now. And I would advise him he can go for the yellow quartz crystal.
Yellow.
Quartz crystal
Okay.
and a prosperity pendant number 3.
Number 3. All right.
He can also keep.
How about his future?
Yeah, you see, present he is going through the Budham and Shukram Dasha. So up till the Shukram Dasha, it is very good for him to change the job up till 2015. And regarding the financial stability and other things, by 2016 and 2017, he would get the same.
All right.
I would advise him, like he can do some remedies also at the same time, if you wish.
Okay.
Yeah, he can wash his teeth with alum in the night. You know alum?
Oh, what is
What
that?
do you call alum? You know alum?
Alum, yes. I don't know what you say it in Malayalam.
Malayalam, okay. Even
Okay.
I know
ALUM, yes.
alum.
Alum.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
he can just wash his teeth before going to bed with alum. You can just check in the
Okay.
internet what you call the Malayalam name, and you get it at the small grocery shop also.
Okay.
Okay, wash your feet before going to bed.
Okay.
Okay, and donate something sweet every Friday.
Sorry?
Every Friday, donate something sweet
Oh.
to anybody, to the poor or to anybody. Donate something sweet. I think that would give him good results.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye bye. Alright, doctor, shall we go to the SMS?
Okay.
It's
You go.
from Ravi.
Ravi.
Yes.
Yeah.
26 to 1965.
Yeah.
Time is 2:20 p.m.
14:20 p.m.
Yes. Place is Palakkad, Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah, he would like to know about his health and his currently he's into business, so he would like to know how he'll be doing in the
The
future.
business.
Yes.
Just came.
Yeah, just came.
Oh. Okay, Vishak Rashi and Anizam Nakshatra is Vishak Rashi and Anizam
Okay.
Nakshatra. And okay, for him Kantaka Shani is going on,
Okay.
and Kantaka Shani is started in November 2011. It will be up till January 2020 Kantaka
Okay.
Shani. So I don't think for him there will be much of business growth because he is in the mid period. Only favorable things can happen in October 2017. And the dasha, I will just check it. His birth number 8 and life path number is 3. In number 8 can give him lot of short-term obstacles
Okay.
for any assignment. And the dasha, Shukram dasha, okay, up till 2026 is Shukram dasha, which is okay. I will advise him some remedies which he can do the same because he got Shani dasha. First of all, he can go for rose quartz crystal and prosperity pendant number 3, plus his religion is Hindu.
He's not mentioned. He's not mentioned if he's
Okay,
Hindu.
if you can wear possibility Rudrasham Ekmukhi, that is one mukhi, one face Rudrasham, if possible for you. Keep a triangle piece of silver in your pocket and then feed 8 poor people for 8 continuous Saturday once a year up till 2020. And poor people, you will get it here also. You get lot of Baldia people, Nathurs are there,
Yeah.
lot of construction people are there. You can give it there. Even you go to IPCO petrol pump, any
Yes.
petrol pump where there are a lot of washing of the cars is going on.
Yeah.
Those are there. Those people you can give them. So here also you can do Andanam. And plus I will advise you every week, every Saturday, feed the pigeons. Feed the pigeons brava with green whole moong, cherupar. Every Saturday you should feed them and feed 8 poor people for 8 continuous Saturday once in a year. I think this will give you very good results. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you, doctor. We have another caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon to you.
Yes, are there?
My name is Murali Krishnan.
ഓക്കെ ആരെക്കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
എൻ്റെ date of birth എൻ്റെ 12th October
Okay.
1968.
ആഹാ ഓക്കെ.
Time of
Time.
birth 7:45 p.m.
പ്ലേസ്?
Place Palakkad.
ഓക്കെ. എന്താ അറിയണ്ടേ?
Mainly ആരോഗ്യം, ജോലി, ഇതാണ് അറിയുന്നത്.
ഓക്കെ. He would like to know about his health and his job.
Health and job.
Yes. 12th October 1968 is.
Yeah, 12th October 1968, Saturday, 1945. Hours?
Yes.
7:45 p.m. Correct? 1945.
Yeah, correct, doctor.
Yeah. Okay. Mithunam Rashi and Makiyam Nakshatra.
Right.
Okay. Okay. You don't have Kantaka Shani, Ardha Shani at present, and you are birth number 3 and life path number is 1. The dasha which you are going on is presently is Shani dasha, which is started on June 2004 and it is for 19 years. So Shani dasha is there for 19 years, which will last up to June 2023.
2023.
Yeah, so all other things are okay, but this Shani Dasha is there up till 2023, so up till the age of 54, you know. So I think you will have some health problem, digestion problem, sometime obesity problem, acidity
Okay.
problem, and even in this sometime you can get some kidney problem also. So you should
Okay.
have a regular checkup regarding your health issues.
Okay.
Presently, how is it? How's your health now? Presently, do you have any acidity or
Uh,
digestion problem?
Not like that, but usual, like normal course of this part of world what we have.
Okay.
Yeah, otherwise okay. I have not checked anything, so I have to check.
No. Have a regular checkup. Have a regular checkup
Oh,
at least
yeah.
once in a year. You know.
All right. Yeah.
Yes. Avoid sweet things at night. Huh?
Okay.
You can. Daytime is okay, but in the night time, you know, like avoid sweet things because maybe your body cannot produce insulin properly. It is possible that
Okay.
way. So in the daytime, because you are working here and there, up and down, but at rest maybe it
Right.
is not possible. So avoid sweet things at night.
Okay.
Okay. And what was your other question?
Job.
Job. Okay. See now. This year is 2015. It is 8 number. 8 is usually related to the planet Saturn. So in this year, I will advise you do not take any risk.
Okay.
For you, January 2016, from that period, it is very good, excellent for you.
Okay.
Okay, that time you will have even Chandrama Dasha also at the same time, Moon Dasha. So that will be very good for you. I will advise you some remedies. If you go for the same, you can go
Yeah.
for the blue quartz crystal.
Okay.
Sorry. And even you can go for the prosperity pendant number 1.
Okay.
You can go for Ekmukhi Rudrasham.
Ekmukhi. Okay.
Yes, you should be a vegetarian on Saturday and Thursday.
Okay.
And feed the ants daily. Ants are available at the base of every tree, at least
Okay,
4 or 5
okay.
trees. So at least water the trees, 4 or 5 trees, and subsequently
Okay.
feed the ants at the base of the tree. There will be ants with sugar, atta and coconut powder. Sugar, atta and coconut powder. Mix it and feed the ants daily. I think you will get excellent job prospects for this purpose.
Okay.
Daily do it.
Daily.
Yeah, daily.
Okay.
Be a vegetarian, and subsequently I told you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for
Bye.
calling.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank
bye-bye.
you. Bye bye.
Doctor, we'll go to another SMS.
Yeah.
It's from Madhvi.
Yeah.
Her date of birth is 15/2/1978.
15 to 1978.
Time is 3:15 a.m.
Yes.
She's born in Kerala.
Okay.
She would like to know about her family and she's going to construct a house. So she would like to know when will
Family
that
and
happen.
okay.
Yes.
Family and constructing the
Yes.
house. Okay. She is Vishabha Rashi and Kartika Nakshatra.
Okay.
And okay, I think 2015 and 16 will be good for her
Hmm.
for constructing her, because in 2017 she enters the Ardha Shani for 2.5 years. So that period will not be favorable for construction. She got even Chava Dosham also at the same time. And very good. She is ruled by Shukram. She is birth number 6 and life path number is also 6.
Okay.
And the Dasha which she is going on is presently Rahu Dasha. So I think I think 2016 will be good for her because in 17 Shani Dasha will be there. Her health, I think she should be careful. She can get some joints problem.
Okay.
Joints problem. She should drink water in silver glass. Because of Rahu Dasha, she should drink water in silver glass. And even she can go for the prosperity pendant number 6.
Okay.
And also I would advise her, do not accept any electrical goods as gift. And whatever electrical goods you have at home which are not working, you should either repair them or you should all throw them out, dispose them out. And even you can mop your house. If it is not a carpet, mop your house with salt water. You can mop your house with salt water. And even I would advise you, you can also take bath with salt water once a week, preferably on Wednesday. Wednesday will be quite favorable for you to take a salt water bath. I think these are the remedies which you do,
Okay.
which will be quite favorable for
Okay,
you.
so that was for Madhavi. We have another caller with us. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
ആരാ ഇത്?
Hello.
ഹലോ, ആരാ സംസാരിക്കുന്നേ? ഹലോ,
Hello.
ആ പേര് പറയൂ, കേൾക്കാനുണ്ട്.
Shailaja.
ശൈലജ, ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയണ്ടേ?
Shailaja.
ആരെ കുറിച്ച് അറിയേണ്ടത്?
Hello. Hello,
ടിവിയുടെ വോളിയം
Shailaja.
കുറച്ച് വെച്ചിട്ട് ഫോണിൽ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചാണോ സംസാരിക്കുന്നത്?
എന്റെ ഒരു സമയം 2015 സമയം അറിയാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ട്.
ആ ഓക്കെ, പറഞ്ഞോളൂ, ഡേറ്റ് ഓഫ് ബർത്ത് പറയൂ. ഹലോ.
Hello, please speak.
Yes,
I
I think the caller is
the
disconnected.
line has got disconnected.
Yes. Okay, doctor, shall we go for a break and then get back?
Okay, no problem. Let's go for a break.
മെഡിയോടത്തിൽ ഒരു ബ്രേക്കിന് സമയമായിരിക്കും. ബ്രേക്ക് കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഞങ്ങൾ വീണ്ടും വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. നേരിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഡോക്ടറോട് വിളിച്ച് ചോദിക്കാം. ഞാൻ വിളിക്കുന്ന നമ്പർ is 052961133. അതുപോലെ SMS is 3537 NTV space your details with your name. അപ്പോൾ ഒരു ചെറിയ ബ്രേക്കിന് ശേഷം ഞങ്ങൾ വീണ്ടും വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും.